how are you? We're cooking pizza today. Pizza. Beautiful pizza, see? Very nice, very nice. So we're gonna show you how to make the pizza. This is brick oven, kind of like thick crust, but brick oven. Brick thin, flat pizza. Beautiful videotaping coming from professional Jen. Let's go. So we're gonna show you first tomato. You cannot have a good pizza without a good tomato. So what we're gonna do, tomato, see, this is organic, actually from my garden. So see, we're gonna cut tomato. Cutting very good cutting. See, boom. And we're gonna put on this pizza, see? See, you cannot have a good pizza without good tomato. See? Like that. And more tomato. Like that. Then we have second half of this big, ugly tomato from my garden. But delicious. Ugly but delicious. So see? More tomato. This is one tomato. But look how much tomato we got on this pizza. You will never get the same at Pizza Hut, Papa John's, or anything. So now we have tomato. So now we're gonna put cheese. Cheese, this is, see, Haverty cheese. Haverty. Very nice cheese. We're gonna put a lot of cheese on this pizza because we put a lot of tomato. A lot of big tomatoes, see? We're gonna put on this pizza cheese, and this is amazing cheese, Haverty. If you haven't tried, I recommend, highly recommend to try this cheese. This is delicious cheese. Delicious. See? Oh yeah, and I'm trying fast, you know, guys. I'm trying to save your time, I promise. Boom, boom, you see? A lot of cheese. This is delicious cheese. See, we're putting more. Just for our viewers, we're trying to make delicious pizza only for our YouTube viewers. Check out Chuck Puff. Chuck Puff. We have all kinds of videos. Ghost fishing, cooking, anything. Anything, we have videos of it. Oh, my girlfriend's hair even. We have videos of that also. See? This is called cheesy. You know, if you bought this somewhere in the store, somewhere at a restaurant, this is at least $33 because so much cheese. You see how much cheese? This is all we do is cheese, and good cheese. This is Haverty. This is not cheddar or Swiss. You know, this is luxury cheese on this pizza. And I'm gonna put, we're keep watching. We're not done yet. Believe me, this is just the beginning of this video. See, now, look at this. We have salami. Salami, this salami here. Oh, yeah. Salami. This is delicious salami. We're cutting the salami, you see. This one. Delicious. Oops, this is salami. Look. So we're gonna put on pizza. Now ham. So we're cutting ham for the pizza. Oh yeah, this ham's so beautiful. Look, check this out. Oh, delicious looking ham. So see, check this out. So now, oh yeah, look, we're putting this ham on this pizza. Okie fanoki. So now, see, we got this. So now, time for veggies. We got plenty meats. Plenty meats. So now, this is banana peppers. See? Oh, see. Check this out. Oh yeah. See now, banana peppers. We're gonna spread them out. Spread them out. See? Oh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now, olives. Olives. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. See now we got olives. Very beautiful pizza. You see now olives. Now lemon juice. You see lemon juice. Patriotic napkin. We're just gonna help us open. We're gonna put a little bit lemon juice. Well, just a little bit. You know this. You'll never see this. Pizza Hut, Papa John's never do this. We only do this for our viewers. We show you how to make the best pizza. Like that. And that's it. And we're ready. We're gonna open the oven. Check this out. Pizza. This little slice of cheese. Oh, see, this is packed. This pizza packed. You're gonna have to open the oven and show the pizza. Show this pizza too when it's going. Oh, this is big pizza. Oh yeah. Beautiful pizza. We have few pieces of cheese that, you know, got left out. Oh yeah. See, beautiful pizza, beautiful pizza. Beautiful. We're cooking, you know, on professional level. You see? Camera in the oven. And it's beautiful. The pizza beautiful. We cook. And check out our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. May God bless you and your family and everybody, you know, because we're cooking, see? Temperature 333. Low temperature. This pizza you have to cook 20 minutes on this temperature. 20 minutes. And it's gonna be delicious, delicious pizza. Delicious. Thank you for watching. God bless. And we appreciate it. Chuck Puff. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.